Project number 14, residential building next office, Alireza Taghaboni. The main question about this project is, are the interior spaces as well designed as the facade? Project number 14 is built on a small urban plot with an area of 156 square meters. Therefore, a question can be raised on how it can be possible to create a condition in a compact area to benefit from the maximum potential of the site for the sake of improving the quality of the spaces and internal-external organization of the building. The project is designed in 5 floors on the ground floor and 2 floors in the basement. Both floors are dedicated to a residential unit, and this is a smart solution to use the maximum space. The ground floor is dedicated to stairwells, elevators, and parking. The placement of spaces has been done well. Public and private spaces have been placed and designed on the floors. And the entrance to the first unit is from the second floor. The front entrance of the unit is located in this part. Here we have a divided space. The service and shoe rack are well placed, and there is no direct view of the service from the living room. Through the internal staircase, we go to the first floor where the master rooms are located. The rooms are very well designed. Both rooms have a closet room that is designed separately from the main space of the rooms. The main room has a private terrace and a very nice view. The third and fifth floors follow the same design process with minor changes. On the last floor, it has been designed in an integrated manner to take advantage of sufficient visibility and light. The facade material is chosen very intelligently. It is combined with exposed concrete and white brick, which creates a very good view. Regarding the facade, I can say that it followed the spatial function and was formed according to the intended function. An important question raised in this project is whether the interior spaces are acceptable. My opinion, no. But in my opinion, one of the main flaws is the material used for the interior spaces. The space is extremely hard and the colors are very neutral and cold, which causes mental fatigue for the residents in the long run.